Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm Charles and this is Fish Hook Outdoors. We've got a really cool cooking video planned for you guys. It is seafood breakfast cups with lump crab meat. This is on the theme of breakfast. Might even push it to brunch as well, but I think you're gonna like it. It's a real tasty treat. Took me about 15 minutes to prep everything. It's gonna take 18 to 20 minutes to bake it in the oven, about 5 or 10 minutes on the stove. So in 45 minutes or less, you can have it from start to finish. You can be eating this. So I'm gonna bring you in a little closer and I'll show you all the ingredients. All right, what we've got here is a half a cup of ricotta cheese. We've got 1 red bell pepper finely chopped, 5 whole eggs, 4 egg whites, a small onion chopped up, couple to 3 cloves of garlic chopped up, our star of the dish, lump crab meat. We've got black pepper, we've got Italian seasoning or oregano. You can use either or. Italian seasoning is a little bit more mild, and some salt. We coated the pan. I couldn't find spray olive oil. I was out of it, so I tried this coconut oil, and I think that's going to come out real well. So we're going to get started, whisk everything up, get a mixture going, and we'll see you guys at the stove. All right, our pan is hot. We've got it on medium heat. We're going to add in our bell peppers, our onion, and our garlic, and start getting this to caramelize. Oh yeah. Don't you just love that sound? Oh yeah. And this is medium heat. Oh. I'm ready to make a sauce right now. All right, we're gonna let this saute for about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, first thing, we're gonna get our eggs together in this bowl. We're gonna mix these 5 eggs and the 4 egg whites. These are all large organic eggs. We'll whisk. Well, I gotta get the words right. Let's whisk these together, right? I have to go back to English class here. Then we're gonna add now the cottage cheese. Well, it'll be ricotta cheese. If you guys are looking for calorie crunching, cottage cheese works perfect. All right, let's mix this up real good. All right, we've got a good mixture now. We've totally emulsified the ricotta cheese. We're gonna start putting in our crab meat. We'll do a little at a time, mix it so I can get all of this in. All right, we've got a good mixture now. We've totally emulsified the ricotta cheese. We're gonna start putting in our crab meat. We'll do a little at a time. Man, it smells delicious. I love crab. I like any dish with crab for that matter. And this is stone crab season now in Florida. And we've had it already 2 or 3 times. That crab meat is just over the top. All right, look at this mixture. Everything is broken up. This is what it should look like. All right, now everything is sauteed. You can hear it sizzling. Oh yeah, it looks beautiful. The onions have just finished caramelizing. We're gonna add this mixture to this. And we're going to add our seasoning as well. There's our black pepper, Italian seasoning. Gives a really nice taste, that Italian seasoning, and some salt. And again, you guys can adjust it as you see fit. Everything is mixed just right. I think we're good to go. So this is the mixture. This is what she looks like. And what we're going to do, we've sprayed the muffin tin down with the coconut oil. It's a non-stick spray. We're going to fill each one up about halfway And we're going to bake it in the oven at 350. I have the oven ready. And give it about 18 to 20 minutes. Or until cooked through. But we'll test it. All right, we're ready. Let's get this. Scoop this in. Just about halfway. I think I did put a little bit too much in that one. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. I'm excited. We are ready. This is it. All right, we are ready to open up the oven. The oven is set at 350 on bake. I've got it on convection bake. The recipe calls for bake at 350 for 18 to 20 minutes. We are going to watch this real carefully. Look at that beautifulness. All right, we're going to set our timer, cooking time. Let's do cooking time. I'm going to set it for 14 minutes to start with before I overcook it. And we're going to watch it, and then we'll just let it go a little bit more if need be. Well, guys, I guess that means it's ready. They look delicious. Let's take a look at this. Get these out. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Look at that. Let's take the toothpick and stick it in here. Oh, yeah. Nice and dry. Just moist. Excellent. I went one more minute and I made it 18 minutes on convection bake, and that seemed to have done the trick. One didn't rise that much, but the rest of them looked pretty good. It could have filled them up for that matter. Check this out, guys. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, yes. We are going to indulge. The moment of truth. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? It's hot, but just look at that oozing deliciousness in there. Nice and moist. All of them seem to be, oh wow, look at this. Beautiful. Guys, check this out. This is so moist, holding together. It is absolutely delicious. Smells just irresistible. I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. And listen, to get something like this, you've got to get the real deal, the real lump crab meat. I go nowhere else than to Jensen's Seafood here in Dunedin, Florida. Jensen Brothers Seafood. It's my go-to for if I want fresh, I want it right off the boat. This is the real deal. So that's what's making this over the top. These aren't going to last but a couple of days. I can see us scarfing them all up. Everybody and the kids are going to want this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video this morning. This is a great breakfast or brunch surprise for your guests. I think they're really going to like it. There's just a lot of good stuff packed into one little muffin. Thanks so much if you're new to the channel for watching. Hope you guys will hit that subscribe button and check off that like, that you like the video. We've got a ton more exciting videos coming in the line of cooking. We are a full outdoor channel. We encompass cooking, fishing, and hunting, so get ready. We've got quite a few adventures coming your way. I'm looking forward to the next one. I hope you are too. So until then, guys, have a great week, and I will see you on the next one.